Namaste students. I am JBN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Battle Science, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Libido state. In the previous video we discussed about the chemostat and libido state also is a term which is used in the microbial culture. This term is mostly used in the industrial microbiology. And libido state. What is the libido state? Libido state is also a condition of the continuous culture. It is related to the continuous culture. And what is the meaning of libido state? It is a condition of culture vessel. Means it is a condition of the fermenter in which we we maintain a constant turbidity of the culture. Okay. So what is the meaning of the turbidity set? That a constant turbidity is maintained. What is the meaning of the turbidity? Turbidity is the term which is directly related to the concentration. For example, if we are adding some water, and we analyze the turbidity. Okay, turbidity is measured by the spectrophotometer. So for water, what will be the turbidity? The turbidity will be zero. If water is pure, if water is pure without any impurity, the turbidity will be zero. But if we add some soil to the water, then what will happen? The turbidity of water will increase because what is the reason? Because we have added some another molecule, some other items to the water. So it is not now transparent. Now it is not transparent. It is more turbid. So like water and other molecules, the turbidity is directly related to the concentration, because in the water the concentration of soil is increased, so turbidity is also increased. If the turbidity is not increased, then we cannot say that what is the turbidity. So in the microbiological methods, when we are using the continuous culture, then we can maintain the turbidity. For what it will be the turbidity for the microorganism? Uh, for the microorganism, the turbidity is the meaning which will indicate the growth of microorganism. Means if there is a low growth of microorganism, then there will be low turbidity. If there is a high growth, the microbes growth is very high, then the turbidity is very high. Okay, turbidity is directly related to the concentration. Means more concentration of the microorganism means more growth of the microorganisms, and more will be turbidity. Less growth of microorganism and less turbidity due to less number of microorganisms. Okay, so using the spectrophotometer we can measure the turbidity, and using turbidity we can measure the growth of microorganisms also. Similarly, we can also measure the concentration of the culture media using this turbidity. Okay, so cell intensity, actually cell number. What is the cell number for the microbes? Actually, microbes are single cellular. Okay, most of them are single cellular. So the cell number of these microbes is analyzed using the turbidity method. So we can apply this turbidity to the microorganism method, so that we can uh, make some constant condition for the growth of microorganism in the fermenter. So in the fermenter, we can maintain a constant cell density, which is the rate of addition of nutrient is changed by continuously measuring cell density of the culture. So we at the regular time we measure the density of the cell for analysis of the turbidity. Suppose suppose that we need 1000 microorganisms per liter. Sorry, 1000 microorganisms per ml at the starting phase. So at the starting, we will note what will be the turbidity. At the starting, we will note the turbidity of the molecule of the culture media. Okay, so we will add the microorganism. We will add growth media. Okay, and after adding the growth media, the substrate, and the culture media and the culture, uh, we will check the turbidity. Okay, suppose that turbidity is mm, at the ratio of 20. Okay, absorbance is suppose that absorbance is 5. Okay, and we need the absorbance of 4. We need only absorbance of 4. So what will happen? It indicates that the microbes have growth that is more uh, than expected. So we do not want that concentration of microorganism, because if there will be less viscosity than less turbidity, then there will be chance of uh, death phase also. So we do not want death phase of the microorganism. It may be possible that the turbidity can increase due to the some dead cells, and these dead cell will lead to the toxicity of the product in the fermentation process. So we need to adjust the turbidity, that is should be constant. So at the constant turbidity state, we can also say it as a biostate, because we are maintaining a constant microbial growth. Okay, so suppose we need a absorbance of 4. Okay, and the absorbance is only 3. So what will we do? We will add some more nutrient media, and we will have to add some more microorganism. So if they will grow, and the turbidity will increase from the 4 to 5, then we will need to decrease the turbidity. How will we decrease the turbidity? We can decrease the turbidity by removing some uh, culture and the culture media. Okay, then what we will do? We will add some more media and some more culture to the fermenter. And if we will add some more culture, then the turbidity will be automatically reduced, because the concentration of the microorganism and the concentration of nutrient media is also decreased. So automatically turbidity will be decreased. So this turbidity is the indicative of the microbial growth, because if more turbidity will be there, which will indicate the microbial uh, concentration is high. We do not require the high concentration of the microorganism, because if there will be high concentration of microorganism, then they will deplete, they will use the more and more substrate at low time, which may result in the toxicity, and which may also result in the death phase of the microorganism. So we can say that turbidity is a state, it is a condition of the microorganism in the fermentation process. Okay, it is a condition of the microorganism. It is a condition of the microbial growth in uh, some fermenters. Okay, So the specific growth rate of turbidostate culture is at very close to mu max. Mu max means the it will indicate the concentration of the uh, microorganism, means it will indicate the absorbance. Okay, and the aim to hold the culture turbidity constant by manipulating the rate at which medium is fed. So we will add the media so that we can maintain a particular kind of turbidity. In a culture control this way, increasing the nutrient concentration will affect biomass concentration, but not specific growth rate. It will not affect the specific growth rate. So it is a turbidity state in which uh, the growth of microbes will be checked at regular time, and this pump will feed the microorganism as well as uh, it will feed the nutrient media also. So when the turbidity is reached, we can decrease the turbidity by taking out some amount of microorganism and some amount of culture media. What are the methods which are used to monitor biomass and control medium supply? Include measurement of carbon dioxide in the medium, measurement of oxygen in the medium, residual nutrient concentration, and medium pH, dielectric permeability. So these are the conditions which can be used for the detection of the turbidity. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.